Hey guys, this is me Pile. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. We will give you a bunch of different ways to message someone as well as why it might not always be possible to see the message button at first and what to do to get it back. I have got TikTok open right now and this is simply a random video. So if I want to send them a message, I can simply swipe to the left. You will see that there is really no option here that says send a message. So I will simply follow them and then I will be able to send them a message or anything I want to send them. If I quickly unfollow them, you will notice that the message option disappear. To send a message to someone, you must first follow them, and based on their setting, they must also follow you back to send someone a message. If you have already done that and you are still having issue sending direct message, I recommend reporting the issue to TikTok. To do that, you to your TikTok, you have to click on these three lines on the right hand side of the screen and then go to your settings and privacy. So scroll down, tap on report a problem, click on direct message, then click on direct messaging is no longer available, then tap on no, then tap on need more help, and here you have to describe your issue, then click on a report. So this was the process by which you can fix TikTok direct message option not showing. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks, have a good day.